Here we have an index milling machine. We have it hooked up to 230 volt, 3-phase power. We're gonna go through the machine here and show you what it does. You want to tell us what it's doing right here?
Going up and down, the truck's going up and down right here. Automatically. You see it going up and down. And now we're doing, that's fast speed right there. That's forward. Now we're gonna go reverse. And we got a lower speed here. That's the low speed forward. And reverse.
Okay, while he's doing that, I'm going to turn on here the water pump.
Water pump. Also, we got a turntable here.
The chain driven table right here. And can you adjust the speed on that too?
Sure can. They're slow and faster.
Alright.
Then we got the table here. This is the in and out for the table. We're going in right now, coming back out. These are manually by hand. You got up and down. There's up and down.
Can't really tell. Can you move it a little longer? There we go. You can kind of see it going down right there. Okay.
Okay, and then the rest of it is automatic here. You got the these are your stoppers here.
Okay.
And then you got it latched in. You hit the thing. That's going to the right there. If you want to go the opposite direction.
Okay. So let it run for a little longer. You got to be able to tell that it's moving here.
And we'll go back the other direction. We'll show you the stopper here.
Okay.
When it hits here, it clicks and shuts itself off. And this is the stopper to go in the other direction. And click. See, it shut itself off.
Okay. We'll do that the other way too?
Yes, it will do that the other way. But we got different speeds here. It's going a little slower.
Okay.
It's got a heck of speeds on it. That's even slower yet.
Oh well.
And that's pretty much all of it.
Okay, that is an index milling machine.